Hello, my name is Ekin. I'm an architecture student in Bilkent University, and this is my Physics 101 laboratory experiment final report. My project is about the effect of friction on objects on an inclined plane. I have one independent variable and it is friction. I did this experiment on two different surfaces. How the experiment works. I used two different setups to calculate two different velocities. My aim was to find the difference between frictionless and friction surface. I used Airtable, puck, scalar, stopwatch and ruler to measure the velocity in this experiment. When an object is on an incline, the force of gravity will be divided into two parts. A parallel force on the plane causes the object to accelerate downwards on the incline. The object's motion is opposed by the force of friction, causing it to act upwards along the plane. Because of the friction force, the velocity of the object will be smaller than the one without friction force. This is my setup for the experiment, and I'm showing the tools I used. I set my Airtable on an inclined position. The mass of the puck is 420 grams, and I use these pedals to create frictionless surface. First, I set the puck on the frictionless surface. Then I measured the distance between the dots. Then I closed the Airtable and do the same thing with friction. I write my results on my tables. I also draw two graphs for each experiment.